Welcome back. So let's talk about that sales coordinator recruiter position. I can remember a time in Atlanta, Georgia, 2008, when me and my old business partner were still doing interviews, still doing those face-to-face interviews, taking up a huge amount of time and daylight hours, going through resumes, calling resumes, scheduling group interviews. And one day I just looked at my partner and said, man, there's got to be a better way. We need to develop a position that does this on a continual basis all year round. Because look, as in a post-storm environment, especially if you have multiple offices, you're going to be in a forever stage of recruiting and hiring as older sales guys move on to different companies, as people quit and get fired, as people just generally slow down. And having this unique position in your company will absolutely double or triple your sales and double or triple the productivity, because once that team's recruited, they also need retention. When's the sales meeting? Where do I get my business cards? I need a draw. Where do I get my shirts? I didn't wash my shirts this week. I need more shirts. So all that kind of stuff, we call it administrative, we call it the mother hen, is integral to this position to be a buffer in between the owner, but also to allow that sales manager in the field to go out there and do field activities like inking deals, writing estimates, meeting adjusters, all that stuff that talented sales manager or field trainer, they should be in the field. And the sales coordinator recruiter is in the office, like the mother hen, taking care of all that back end, administrative, sales communication, sales meetings, getting guys shirts, where's the blitz, where's the sales team. That center point position in the office is key to bringing on new people and also retaining those people once they come on board. Because a lot of times the owners and the field trainers and the manager, especially in these post-storm environments, they're out in the field, they're running around. And if those new sales associates don't get that attention, look, attention equals retention. If those new sales associates don't get the attention they need in their first 30 days, both on the back-end administrative side and in the field, you're going to lose them, or they're going to get demotivated, or they're going to fall off the grid. So sales coordinator recruiter is a very important position, I believe, to hold that sales team together and eventually, hopefully, evolve into a full-time human resource manager for any given roofing and restoration company. In the next chapter, we're going to go over the courses, the recommended courses inside SVG U that you need to take as a new sales coordinator recruiter to get your certification to be an effective sales coordinator in this industry. See you soon.